Are you ready to start investing in stocks but not sure where to begin? Let's walk through the basics of stock investing in 10 simple steps. First, reflect on what you want to achieve financially. Be precise about your objectives. Set your investment horizon, evaluate your finances, rank your goals, and regularly review and adapt to changes in your life. Carefully assess your financial situation. Look at your sources of income, have an emergency fund, pay down high-interest debts, and set a budget for investing. Understand your comfort level with stock market uncertainties. Your risk tolerance will shape your investment strategy and stock selection. Recognize your investing style, whether it's hands-on or hands-off. Decide if you want to manage your own investments or work with a financial advisor or broker. Select the type of account that best suits your investment goals, such as retirement accounts, individual brokerage accounts, or managed accounts. Each has its own features, benefits, and drawbacks. Ready to take the first step towards growing your money? Let's get started.